In this video, I'll show you how to change the email on your ChatGPT account. First, an important note. You can only change your email if you originally signed up using a direct email and password. If you created your account using Google, Apple, Microsoft or company single sign-on, email changes are not supported and you won't see an edit option. Now let's begin. Open your browser and go to the official ChatGPT website. Click Sign in and log in using your current email and password. Make sure you are not using a social login if you want the option to change your email. Once you're inside your account, click your profile icon. On desktop, it's usually in the bottom left corner. In some layouts or on mobile, it may appear in the top right. From the menu, select Settings, then go to the Account section. Here you'll see the email currently linked to your account. If your account allows changes, you'll see a small edit or pencil icon next to your email address. Click it and enter your new email address. Make sure it's one you can access right away. The system will send a verification message to that new email. Open your inbox, find the verification message and follow the instructions to confirm. If you don't see it, check your spam folder or request a resend. After confirming, you may be signed out for security reasons. Simply sign back in using your new email and your existing password. That's it. Sign in, open settings, go to account, edit your email, verify it and log back in with the updated address.